Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore a new word, discerning. You might have heard it before, but what does it actually mean? Let's dive in. So, what does discerning mean? It's a bit of a fancy word, but it's actually pretty simple. Discerning means being able to see or understand things clearly. It's about having a sharp mind, noticing details, or making good judgments. If you're discerning, you can tell the difference between good and bad, right and wrong. She is a discerning reader who can easily pick out the best books. So, in simple words, discerning is when you're good at recognizing things or making careful judgments. Cool, right? Let's look at some more examples to help you understand how to use discerning. He is a discerning chef who knows exactly what ingredients will make a dish taste amazing. A discerning shopper can tell the difference between high-quality and low-quality products. Her discerning eyes spotted the hidden clue right away. See how in each example, being discerning means being able to see or judge things clearly? You might be wondering, when should I use this word? You can use discerning when you talk about someone who is good at making judgments or noticing small details. For example, if you are talking about someone who is really good at picking out the best things in life, whether it's food, books, or even friends, you can say they are discerning. It's often used to describe people who are thoughtful and careful in their decisions. Quick recap. Discerning means having a sharp eye or good judgment. You use it when talking about someone who can make wise decisions and notice important details. So if you ever meet someone who can easily pick the best option, they're probably discerning. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome English lessons. Drop a comment below if you have any other words you want me to explain. See you next time, and keep learning.